Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Xfinity NOW TV versus DirecTV Stream, and I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and what should the enter which live TV streaming service is more worth it for you. Xfinity NOW TV is a low-cost streaming service typically around $20 to $25 a month, available only to Xfinity Internet subscribers. It provides a curated selection of over 40 to 125 live and on-demand channels focusing on entertainment, lifestyle, and some news, along with an included Peacock Premium subscription. Its limitations include the absence of major local broadcast networks such as ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC, and most major sports networks, positioning itself as a supplementary service rather than a full cable replacement. It offers 20 hours of cloud DVR and 3 simultaneous streams. Moving on, DirecTV Stream is a more premium, comprehensive live TV streaming service with packages starting around $85 a month. It offers a broad channel lineup, 90 plus to 85 plus channels depending on the package, including major local networks, extensive sports coverage, and a wide array of news and entertainment. DirecTV Stream provides unlimited cloud DVR storage. Furthermore, it is designed to mimic traditional cable experience, often offering similar channel selections and a familiar interface, though it can come with additional fees like an advanced service fee and regional sports fee. Xfinity Now is ideal for existing Xfinity Internet customers who want a cost-effective way to add a selection of live entertainment, lifestyle, and basic news channels to their streaming portfolio. On the other hand, DirecTV Stream is better for cord cutters seeking a complete premium cable TV replacement that includes major local networks, extensive sports coverage, and a wide variety of news and entertainment channels. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.